Welcome to Business English for Banking, Key Terms and Phrases Explained, a valuable resource for ESL professionals navigating the world of finance. In this engaging and informative video, we dive into the essential vocabulary needed to excel in banking discussions, from banking basics to customer relations, investment, finance, and compliance. We break down key terms and provide real-world examples. Whether you're a seasoned banker or just entering the field, mastering these terms will enhance your business English skills and elevate your confidence in crucial financial conversations. Join us to conquer the language of banking and take your career to the next level. Greetings, colleagues. Have you ever found yourself in a high-stakes financial meeting, struggling to keep up with the barrage of banking jargon and business buzzwords? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're about to change that. Whether you're aiming to climb the banking career ladder or simply want to navigate the financial world with confidence, you've tuned into the right place. During this video, we'll unlock the vault of essential banking vocabulary, breaking down the complex into the comprehensible, empowering you to lead conversations, crunch numbers, and build a successful financial career. So stay tuned because it's time to delve into Business English for Banking, Key Terms and Phrases Explained. Your future in finance begins right here. Let's be about it. Banking basics. All right, let's dive into the deep waters of banking, starting with the very fundamentals. Account. An account is like your personal vault within the bank. It's where you keep your money safe, and the bank keeps track of everything you do with it. For example, a savings account is where you save money, while a checking account is for your everyday spending. Transaction. Now, transaction is a key term in the banking world. It's just a fancy word for any movement of money in or out of your account. Imagine you're paying for your morning coffee. That's a transaction. When your paycheck gets deposited, it's another transaction. Balance. Balance is all about keeping score. It tells you how much money you have in your account at any given moment. Think of it as a financial scorecard. If you had $100 in your account, your balance is $100. If you spend $10 on lunch, your new balance is $90. Interest. When your money sits in your account, the bank doesn't just babysit it, they pay you for it. Or at least they ought to. That's interest. It's like a thank you from the bank for letting them use your money. For example, if you have $1,000 in a savings account with a 1% interest rate, you'll earn $10 a year. And don't confuse interest with interest rate. So these are the ABCs of banking, and understanding these terms is your first step in the world of Business English for Banking. Customer relations. In this section, we'll explore terms vital for smooth customer interactions. Deposit. To deposit means to put money into your bank account. Think of it as adding money. For instance, when you receive your salary, you deposit it into your bank account. Of course, that brings us to the opposite. What is the opposite of deposit? Withdrawal. Withdrawal is when you take money out of your account. You might make a withdrawal at an ATM or a bank teller, or even by using your bank card. Loan. A loan is an amount of money that you borrow. When you take out a loan for your dream car, that's the car's price in the form of a loan. The bank trusts you to pay it back, of course, with interest. Now, most loans from the bank are installment loans. They don't expect you to make the whole payment back at once. They expect you to make small payments, usually every month. So you're making monthly installment payments until the full amount plus the interest is paid back. Investment and finance. All right, now we're diving into the fascinating world of investments and finance in banking. It might sound complex, but with the right terms, you'll navigate it like a pro. Portfolio. Your portfolio is a collection of your investments. It's all the stocks, bonds, and assets you own. It's a bit like having a gallery of paintings, each with its own unique value. The value of one may go up, Another one might go down, or maybe they all go up, but not at the same amount, right? Dividend. A dividend is the earnings you get from a stock or a share. Traditionally, public companies like traded on the stock market would pay dividends from their profits during the year. They would share it with their owners, the shareholders. Now, that's becoming less common. If you look at the big tech companies today, I don't think any of them pay dividends. Assets. Assets are everything you own that's valuable, from your home to your stocks, even your rare baseball card collection. Anything that you own that has value is an asset. Equity. Equity refers to the ownership that you have in a company. If you own shares, you have equity in that company. Understanding these terms empowers you in the realm of investments and finance. With your portfolio, dividend, assets, and equity, you're ready to tackle financial conversations with confidence. Compliance and regulations. In the world of banking, there's one thing that everyone agrees on: rules. That's right, compliance and regulations are critical. So let's understand some of these crucial terms. Audit. An audit is like a financial health check. It's a detailed examination to ensure everything's running smoothly and correctly. Compliance. Compliance is all about following the rules and regulations set by the banking authorities. In the modern bureaucratic world, a lot of companies spend a lot of their time on compliance, complying with these rules and regulations. Which brings us to regulation. Regulations are the official rules that banks or other companies, and if we're talking about other industries, must follow. Policy. Think of policy as like a bank's guidebook. They're a set of rules and procedures that the bank follows, ensuring things are consistent and secure. All right, well, it's been a great journey through the world of banking lingo today. We've covered essential terms that are bound to come up in your banking discussions. Whether you're talking about account balances, customer relations, investments, or understanding compliance and regulations, these words are your trusty tools for success in the banking sector. Keep practicing and using these terms in your everyday work, and you'll boost your confidence and effectiveness in the world of business English. If you enjoyed this video, please conquer that like button and make it ours. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.